हेलो एवरीवन। आप सभी का स्वागत है रिकोऑर्डिनेशन के इस नए एपिसोड में। और आज का एपिसोड थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है क्योंकि अभी तक हम सारे एपिसोड्स में गिटार की बात कर रहे थे या म्यूज़िक थ्योरी की बात कर रहे थे। अभी आज के एपिसोड में मैं शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ जो मैंने अपना लास्ट पीस कंपोज करा है। जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं दूंगा। You can listen to that piece. And here I will tell you the breakdown, how I have composed it, how I have recorded it. चाहे आप कोई भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट सीखते हैं, कीबोर्ड, गिटार, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि composing something on your own gives you ultimate pleasure of what you're doing. It gives you so much power to express your thoughts, and music is a beautiful medium to express your thoughts, and composing is all about expressing your thoughts. So एक enjoyable process है। with time आप इसको और अच्छे से सीखते जाते हैं। मैं भी सीख रहा हूँ। आप अगर आज से शुरू करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे आपकी लर्निंग आज से ही शुरू हो जाती है, एंड जस्ट इट कीप्स ऑन गेटिंग बेटर एंड बेटर. So maybe this video will give you an insight that how I compose my pieces. So there are different ways how I do it, and this is one of the approach what I follow. So it's a fairly simple track. You can see there are not many layering in it, and it's as I have named it emotional right now, which is a very broad categorizing of the piece. I'll name it later on. Compose this piece in a way that अगर कोई situation जहाँ पे आप इमोशनल सिचुएशन को रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हैं मूवी में, आप वहाँ पे बैकग्राउंड में इस ट्रैक को यूज़ कर सकें. So I was just playing around with this G scale, going to major and minor thing like, and I just came up with this small progression while plucking. So I thought, इस चीज़ को डेवलप करा जा सकता है. This is having some element in it. And just to also bring a little tension toward the end, what I did, I started like, I raised back to. So this was the basic idea what I came up with. So I recorded that. I tracked down this first, and before recording I just always make sure what the tempo is, and to know what tempo suits the best, what I usually do is I just take my mobile and open the metronome app and think about the speed of the piece, like da da da. So if I just do da 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 da. So like this, whatever tempo comes here, so by tapping on it, so I usually decide the tempo of the project as per that. क्योंकि क्या होता है usually, if you don't select the correct tempo on which you have actually composed or thought of that emotion, so that change of tempo also changes the mood of the piece. So just to keep that intact, always make sure that you choose the correct tempo for your piece. Once I recorded this, immediately the melody also started coming in my head. La da da, la da da, la da da. So I chose my electric guitar to play it. When I was choosing the tone for guitar, one thing was very clear, that the tone should be mellow, it should have nice sustain, and it should have an ambient quality also, taki it should create that mood. It should not be on the face, too much on the face, but it should create that mood. And the melody was something like, so this was the melody which I thought of. And then on top of that, I recorded one harmony line also, again to add some more color to it. And then one thing also I did purposely was that I try to break the monotony again by bringing the piece into the G major. By doing this, you give more colors in a subtle way. Again, you're not changing much, you're changing a very little, you're just deviating the piece into a particular direction. उससे क्या होता है कि the person who has to use it for a scene or whatever piece of art he want to use it for, he also gets that much room of showing different emotions, and it also brings a freshness into it. It breaks the monotony, but still it keeps the viewers and listeners engaged also. So this is also one of the tip, that when you are composing a track which is a 2-minute long track, or maybe lesser than that also, try to bring out such changes. But again, this is a slow emotional piece, so it has its own boundaries, limitations, what we can do with it. But yes, it's all about experimenting. And then I added the chords. So chords, what I played are like G minor, C minor, then F major, then again C minor, and then C diminished. But also you can play F sharp diminished here. So I like this. I played once this and once this. So कि अगर आप गिटार बजाते हैं और आप का इंटरेस्ट है थोड़ा रिकॉर्डिंग में भी और प्रोडक्शन में, then you can just maybe you can get an idea how I'm doing my work, and maybe you can get some encouragement to do it, and maybe you do it in your own way. But आई एम श्योर ये टिप्स और ये सारी जो थोड़ी सी इंसाइट्स हैं आपको कहीं ना कहीं कुछ हेल्प करेंगे, एनकरेज करेंगे कंपोज करने के लिए और अच्छा म्यूज़िक बनाने के लिए. एंड दैट इज़ माई होल पर्पस ऑफ द वीडियो. So I hope you must have liked the video, and if you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Please take care, keep practicing, keep making good music. Bye bye.